Hello, I'm Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and this is my first look through of a Sri Lankan cookbook. I'm very intrigued. It's called Milk, Spice, and Curry Leaves, Hill Country Recipes from the Heart of Sri Lanka by, and I'm going to massacre their name, Ruwanmali, Samarakoon-Amunugama. How'd I do? Let's check this out. I've never eaten Sri Lankan cooking. It's a new cookbook. My library just barely got it. Milk, spice, and curry leaves. It's not the most expensive paper quality, but that's okay. Contents, introduction, of course. The essence of Sri Lankan cooking. I'm going to have to read through that when I'm off camera. The pillars, tips and other things to know, and then they get to the recipes, which are sorted into grains, vegetable dishes, fruit, nut, and lentil dishes, meat and poultry dishes, seafood, salads, malum, sambal, and pickles. Don't know what those are. Well, I know what pickles are. And small bites with tea and beverages. Okay, let's check it out. Introduction. Pictures of Sri Lanka, which looks beautiful. Picture of a flower of some kind, the essence of Sri Lankan cooking. I was wondering if it was kind of Middle Eastern influence because there's lentils and I don't know. I could be wrong. Pretty pictures. Wish they were on higher quality paper. The pillars. Essential ingredients. Coconut and coconut milk. Rice. Chili pepper. Cardamom. Cinnamon. Cloves. Uh-oh, I'm allergic to those. Okay. Coriander seeds, curry leaves, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, ginger. I'm allergic to that too. Maybe it's a good thing I've never eaten Sri Lankan food. Uh-oh. That's okay. I can substitute them. Maldives fish, mustard, pandan leaf, pepper, tamarind. I love tamarind. Turmeric, etc., etc., etc. And raw unroasted curry powder, etc. Tips and other things to know. Prepping for cooking. Curry leaves, onion, garlic, ginger, typical pantry stuff that you'll need for Sri Lankan cooking. Getting the sour, lime, tamarind, vinegar, etc. Preparing and cutting leaves, fruits, and vegetables for curries and salads. Step-by-step little illustrations. Woo, there's a lot of reading before we get to the first recipe. Okay, here we are. Grains. Milk rice. Ooh, that sounds really intriguing. I'm guessing they use coconut milk. Where's the ingredients? Oh, right there. Coconut milk. I was right. Okay, I need a little bigger font because I had a hard time finding the ingredients, but it was so simple. Okay, fancy yellow rice. Here's the ingredients. That was easy to find. That looks really good. Not sure why it's green and what kind of eggs those are. Well, we'll have to find out. Ooh, a 2-page recipe. Ghee rice. I haven't used ghee in rice yet. Coconut roti. The flatbread. I love how every cooking tradition in the world has their own kind of little flatbread. Rice and curries packed in banana leaves. So this isn't something I would just whip out on like a Monday night. I feel like I'd have to plan ahead and do it on the weekend. Vegetable dishes. Just because I'm unfamiliar with the techniques and ingredients. White potato curry. That sounds so good. Deviled potatoes. Red potato curry. Hey, I need some pictures. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. Fried beetroots. Beetroot curry. Yum! Winter squash curry. So lots of curries and rice. Okay, so there's cabbage curry, cauliflower, potatoes, and green peas curry. Well, it's like Indian cooking influences then. Eggplant curry, green bean, white curry. There's a lot of curries. Tempered snake beans. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to move ahead. Fruit, nut, and lentil dishes. So I'm looking forward to this. Young jackfruit curry. I have never tasted jackfruit. I should get the one that Trader Joe's makes. Try it. Pineapple curry. We're back into the curries again. Fried plantain curry. I love fried plantains. My sisters grew up in Rwanda and they made us the real kind of plantains, not the American version that's all sweet. So good. Tomato curry. Cashew nut curry. Where's the lentils? Oh, there they are. Yellow dal with or without spinach. I would do with, frankly. Chili pepper dal. Nice. Okay, let's move on. Meat and poultry dishes. I'll do this real quick because I'm vegetarian. Chicken curry. Of course, it's a curry. Boiled eggs with coconut milk. Ooh, yum. I'll make that. Beef curry. Peppered beef with coconut milk with mustard seed. Wow, that's unusual. Black pork curry. Interesting. Seafood dishes. Deviled prawns. I don't know what deviled means. Oh, lime juice, chili paste. That means they spiced it up. Okay, yay. flavored it up. Whitefish curry, sour fish curry, no thank you. Crab curry, sounds good. Salads. What do you... cucumber salad. Yum. Tomato, cucumber, and red onion salad. These would be good in summer. I'm not eating cold salads in winter. Bitter gourd salad. I think I've had that somewhere before. Eggplant salad, parsley salad, pineapple salad. You get the drift. And here's the pickles chapter. Not a lot of pictures. Salted lime preserves. Ooh. Small bites with tea. Deep fried stuffed banana peppers. Vegetable ribbon tea sandwiches. I need pictures. Beverages. I know what tea looks like. Fresh papaya juice, fresh passion juice, fresh lime juice. Milk tea for 2 poured at a height. Wow, I'm going to go and sit down and read through this more slowly on my own and check it out. It's fascinating. Now I'm hungry for curry and rice. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more cookbook look-throughs really quickly, you can run over to the Cookbook Divas website. We're on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thanks!